An African safari is an absolute bucket list trip. But if you're nervous about safety, conflict, health risks, and just traveling through developing countries, here's some suggestions for where to go for a safer, lower stress experience. For the safest first African trip, I'd consider South Africa, Botswana, or Tanzania. First, let's talk about South Africa. South Africa's the only African country that can officially offer malaria-free safaris. That matters for families with little kids. 2 easy wins are found near Johannesburg, Pilanesberg National Park, and Madikwe Game Reserve. Madikwe welcomes kids as young as 2 and runs family game drives for ages 2 to 6 and fun activities like bug CSI and pizza making. If you want next level comfort, you could look into Finda Mountain Lodge. Or there's Tswalu, South Africa's largest private malaria-free reserve. You get a private vehicle, guide and tracker, 0 stress, set your own pace. Another great option is Botswana. According to recent Global Peace Index data, Botswana has moved to being the 2nd safest country in Africa. It's conservation-focused, low volume and high quality. Go for Chobe National Park. Or perhaps the Okavango Delta, water-based safaris and Makoro rides. Tanzania rounds out the trio of safer countries for your African trip. It's climbed the peace rankings since 2022 and remains a premier safari pick. The Serengeti is the headline, and probably the Africa you've dreamed of. See the Great Migration, expect big cats and well-run camps. Many lodges have flexible age policies and kid-friendly activities like trekking and bushcraft. Then you could add Ngorongoro Crater, or Tarangaya for elephants, Ruaha for fewer crowds. Outside of these countries, honourable mentions go to Kenya for the Masai Mara, Namibia for wide-open, spectacular scenery, and Uganda, great for wildlife and culture. But for a first big game safari, South Africa, Botswana and Tanzania are more straightforward. Want the iconic migration and big cat action? Tanzania, Serengeti and Ngorongoro might be your go-to. Some final but important practical tips. Make sure any appropriate vaccinations are up to date, as recommended by your doctor. Ask about child policies and car seats. Confirm medical facilities and evacuation coverage. Travel in daylight when possible. Keep valuables low-key, and always listen to your ranger. Do that, and your first safari won't just be safe, it'll be unforgettable.